Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you guys how to fix the Klarna something went wrong error. First, check your internet connection and refresh the app. If you're using a browser, clear the browser's cache and cookies. Next, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Klarna, and make sure that your Klarna app is updated to the latest version. Outdated apps can sometimes cause this error, so updating it is very important because it gives you the latest version and new bug fixes. You can also log out of your account and log back in again. If you're seeing this error, restart your phone and try it again. Sometimes this error happens due to temporary server issues, so waiting a few minutes and trying again can also fix it. That's how you fix the something went wrong error.